Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So this is the second video I'm going to put out today. I've actually chucked this video in a little bit earlier because I need your help. I'm sort of struggling to know what sort of stuff you guys like me to cover on the channel. So I want to ask you guys, what should I do? What should I do more of? Should I be doing focusing on certain coins or errors, or do you like the noodling videos? I've tried to change up the noodling videos a little bit so that it actually helps me to get more coins through the video by starting off the video by doing some live noodling, then going away and doing some more without the camera rolling, and then coming back and trying to either finish a couple of rolls and give a bit of a recap of what we've found. I'm finding that I'm able to get through more coins that way rather than going through lots of rolls that don't produce anything. So I'm kind of liking that, and I think I'll stick to that because I think it's helpful. But like I've got a few videos still coming up in the next few days that I've already put together. And one of the things I've got coming up is I've gone through some $20 notes, and with the I think I had $600 worth of notes, and we've gone through them, looked at serial numbers and all that kind of stuff. I'd like to be able to do a bit more of that. Let me know what you think of that. And certainly let me know what you think of the video that I put out when I do. What else? Oh, I've got this note in front of me, and then this is the second part of this video, and I just wanted to chuck it in there. So when I go to the bank, if you do it the way I do it, I return all my coins, and then I have to grab cash out of my account. So I technically end up using 3 machines. So the first one, return the coins. Second one, I get my notes out, and then the third one is collecting all the coins. So when I get the cash out of the bank, I always go through those notes, and I forgot to mention this in the video that I've got coming up in a couple of days' time. But when I went and got coins last night, this note in front of us came out. Now, I grabbed it. There's nothing actually special about the note in relation to the year or the prefix being KD, but it's a low number. So if I bring it up just so you make sure you can see what we're going to. So it's 090000163. Now, that's a fairly low number, but I think real note collectors actually do collect notes that are low numbered, but realistically under 100. So that's what I just wanted to share in this video. But keep an eye out for those things, because if you get a low number like this one and it's a special prefix, well, then it's worthwhile hanging on to. But and I had a look to sort of see what these notes sell for, and realistically I could probably sell this thing for $60, but for me it's not even worth doing that. By the time you pay fees and those kind of things based on selling on eBay and PayPal and all those sort of things, to make $1 or $2 is really not worth the risk. And this does have a fairly big fold, a crease through it, and it has been folded through the center, so I'm just going to put this back into circulation. But I thought I'd at least show it to you just as something that is of interest and something that's a little bit different. And I don't often cover notes on this channel because I tend to focus on coins, but it is something I'm learning more about, so as I learn more I'll certainly share. But yeah, I've got plenty of coins here right now. I did go and grab a whole heap. I didn't get too many $2 coins, but I've got plenty of, a few rolls of 5s, plenty of $1 coins. Grabbed a few 10-cent coins. I meant to get more, but didn't for some reason. And plenty of 20-cent coins and a few 50s. So I, got plenty of opportunities to make plenty of videos on noodling, but I don't want to do that too much. I've enjoyed doing the auction results. I love putting that stuff together. So if you want to see more of that, happy to do more videos on that sort of stuff. I was even thinking about possibly going through eBay and picking out coins that just shouldn't be for sale because they're not error coins, or possibly finding some outstanding error coins and hopefully showing you what price they sold for. So that's another thing. So anyway, let me know. I'd love to have your feedback on it. Please leave a comment. Just want to make sure that we push this channel in the right direction. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little bonus video for today, and I look forward to bringing more videos to you soon. Thanks for watching.